This video guides you how to set up and run Azure RTOS sample project. It shows how device sends telemetry to the IoT hub. It also shows how IoT hub calls methods and sends messages to the device. First, connect Ethernet cable that is connected to the network to the CK-RX65N board. On the CK-RX65N, check that J11 is open, J2 is short, and pins 1 and 2 of J16 are shorted. Also, connect both J20 and J14 on the CK-RX65N to the PC with USB cables. In this section, CK-RX65N sends the telemetry messages to Azure IoT Hub. And you can view the output log from CK-RX65N on TerraTerm. Now, start TerraTerm, click Serial, and then select the serial port. Click OK. Then, click Setup, Serial Port, select Speed 115,200 and click New Setting. After building the sample project in eSquare Studio, click the bug icon in the upper right to open Debug Configuration. Select Renesas GDB Hardware Debugging. Then click Debugger, Connection Settings. Set power target from the emulator to No, then click Debug. The sample program will be downloaded to the CK-RX65N. Click the Resume button and confirm that the program stops in the main function. Click the Resume button again to resume program execution. Confirm that executing log of CK-RX65N is displayed on the TerraTerm. You can view the IP address, gateway address, and DNS server address. You can also view that telemetry messages are sent to IoT Hub every 5 seconds. This means that the CK-RX65N is sending messages to IoT Hub via network successfully. In this section, you can call methods and send messages from IoT Explorer on your PC to Azure IoT Hub. The methods and messages are sent to CK-RX65N via Azure IoT Hub. First, go to the management screen for IoT Hub in Azure Portal. Select the IoT Hub which you have created. Click Shared Access Policies from the menu on the left. Select IoT Hub Owner and copy Primary Connection String to Clipboard. Next, start Azure IoT Explorer. Select Add Connection and enter the primary connection string which you have copied in previous step, and click Save. The created IoT Hub will be displayed on IoT Explorer. Click it. The device connected to this IoT Hub will be displayed. Click it. First, call methods from IoT Hub to the device. Click Direct Method. The left screen is IoT Explorer and the right screen is the device execution log on TerraTerm. Enter method name and payload. In this video, enter reboot and 10. Then click Invoke Method. You can view that the device received a method reboot and payload 10. User can build the system by adding the device program to be executed when the direct method is received. Next, send messages from IoT Hub to the device. Click Cloud to Device message. Enter Hello CK-RX65N in message body. Then click Send Message to Device. You can see that the device receives the message Hello CK-RX65N. In this way, interactive communication between device and IoT Hub can be realized easily by using eSquare Studio and Azure RTOS sample project.